Good afternoon, Anand.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am doing well. I'm doing well. Pretty awesome. Thank you. How are you?
I'm also very good. This is our first interaction, isn't it?
Yeah, it is our first interaction.
All right, so let's begin with a short introduction. My name is Monisha, and I am a personality and communication coach for over 10 years. I'm calling from Vrindavan, which is in Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. I am originally from Assam. I'm a TEDx speaker, and I have written two books. And I'm very happy to do this session with you. This is my short introduction. Now let's hear it from you.
Yeah, thank you. My name is Anand Raj. I'm a teacher. I own an institute named as Read and Achieve classes here in Darbhanga, Bihar. I've done my MSc in chemistry. Apart from that, yes, I have a couple of hobbies. I love to travel. I love to read books, and I'm fond of playing cricket match.
Okay, lovely. Thank you so much for your introduction. How long you have been taking these classes?
I have been here since beginning of the English Yaari. I mean, from couple of years now, right?
Couple of years.
Yeah,
Couple of years. It cannot be more than 3 years.
yeah, 3 years. Yeah, I
Wow,
don't.
you've been taking it for 3 years now.
Yeah, I haven't been regular. I mean, but off and on, I have been on this trip since beginning.
Okay, so sure, great. Uh, so let's begin with your personality. And then please describe your personality. Talk about yourself.
I know there are many types of personalities, like extrovert, introvert. But I'm kind of ambivert. Okay, situation, but more than ambivert. Like I just look for the situation or opportunity. If I feel like mingling with people, I feel like I should talk with people, then I talk. Otherwise, not. So yes, I'm not like extrovert or introvert. I'm ambivert.
You're an ambivert. Okay, great. Now let's look at the notes for today. Can you go open your notes?
Yeah.
Um, Anand, there's a lot of disturbance in your audio. Can you remove your Bluetooth? Maybe it is because of the.
Okay, just wait, Madan. Hello.
Yes,
I'm not sure it had been removed or not, but I've tried. I'm doing
I
something.
think this because of the fan. There is a wind blowing, because of which your voice is not clear. So I'm not able to understand your words properly.
Okay. Mm, Hello, can you hear me now?
Yes, it is perfect.
Okay.
Yes, please continue. Let's open the notes. The title of
Yes.
today's note is Embracing Change.
Yeah, embracing change.
Please read the passage.
Change is a constant companion on the road of life, guiding us through just wait, uncharted territories and presenting opportunities for growth and self-discovery. As I stand here today, reflecting upon my own journey, I'm reminded of the profound impact that embracing change has had on my personal growth and ultimate success. In this demonstrating, just wait, in this article, I will share my experiences and lessons learned behind demonstrating how a willingness to adopt and evolve has been instrumental in shaping my path to fulfillment. Throughout my life, I have encountered many instances where change has knocked on my door, demanding my attention initially. I found myself resistant to these expected twists and turns, desperately clinging to the familiar and predictable. However, as time went on, I realized that change was not my adversary, but rather my ally in progress. When forced with the unknown, I made conscious decision to step out of my comfort zone and embrace the opportunities that change presented instead of fearing change. I began to see it as a gateway to new experiences and fresh perspectives.
Okay, great. Now let's learn some new words.
Okay,
Okay. Can you read them, please?
these words like
Companion.
it is in yeah, companion. It means friends.
Yes.
Yeah, uncharted territories means you have never been to the situation or your place.
Sorry, what?
Uncharted territories means something that you were not familiar with,
Yes, you're
right?
not familiar with. Right.
Hmm. Embracing to adopt, right?
Embrace, yes, is to adopt, right?
Willingness, willingness to do kind of desire, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Resistance means hinder,
Resistance means
adver-
to avoid,
hinder
to hinder,
to
right?
yeah. Adversary means kind of adverse
Problem.
situation.
It's a problem.
Yeah, problems. Yeah, ally means to go with something,
Yes,
right?
right.
Hmm. Conscious means what can I say in English? In
Aware.
Hindi we say
Conscious means
yeah,
aware.
awareness. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
aware.
Hmm. Okay, good. Thank you. So, Anand, tell me, what is the biggest change in your life? What has been the biggest change in your life?
As far as my life is concerned, I think I have been always changing myself. And life is a constant change as far as a definition of life is concerned from one aspect in my view, right? So
So,
take on the situation.
can you share one experience?
For example, I have been financially struggling in my life, and right now, yes, I'm in good situation. Like when I had started my institution, I'm owner of the institute. Okay, so I started in lack of financial, money, but today I have good success over there. Right, I have been struggling with scoliosis physically, right? So physical health was not good, but I have overturned within some period of time, and still I'm not get rid of it. But yes, I'm working on it, and I hope that very soon I'm gonna get rid of it. So life has been kind of not. I don't think fair or unfair about this, but yeah, I have changed lots of things so far. Yeah, I'm happy to do that.
Okay, all right, lovely. Um, what is the one change that you're looking forward to?
Just I'm a kind of person who constantly looking for change because I think change is a permanent imperfection, right? Or perfection. I should not say imperfection. If you want to get perfect, then change should be permanent companion for you. So yes, I have always been looking for. But you are asking what is the one thing that you want to change right now? Just I have a couple of like I cannot like I told you before, I have a problem. Okay, physically I'm not that much fit, so I want to be fit. My health is good, but as for you, as I don't have a desired fitness that I want, so I want to change it right now.
Okay, I want to be fitter.
Yeah, I want to be fitter.
Okay, all right, lovely. Um, So what institute are you running, if I may ask?
Yeah, of course. It is a tutoring center. We teach them from, we teach a student from standard 6 to 12. We teach them all the subjects. Okay, so, but we mainly focus on science subjects like IIT, JEE mains, from 6 to 12 standard students.
Okay, lovely. So is it your, are you running it alone or do you have a partner? What? What
I'm
did
not
you
that.
say?
I said that, I am the director, I am the founder, but I have
Uh,
7 tutors with me right now. Yeah.
okay, so you definitely have a team, but you are the founder and the
Yeah.
CEO of the institute.
Yeah, right.
Okay, all right. So what inspired you and since how long you have been running this institute?
I had started in 2017, and what inspired me, I think, I had a financial problem, and I wanted to get rid of it as soon as possible. So I was looking for a job, but I thought of, teaching because I could do it best, and I started teaching on my own. When I had started the institution, I used to teach mathematics, physics, chemistry, all subjects for standard 6 to 12 10th students at the beginning. But later on, slowly things moved on. I brought the tutors. I expanded the institute in whole city, and right now it is one of the biggest institution of this city, Darbhanga.
You're calling from which city?
Darbhanga, Bihar.
Bihar. Okay. Can you tell me more about your hometown?
Yeah, it's a very famous city of Bihar, especially north side of the Bihar, right? It is a famous. It is known as Mithilanchal, right? Because lots of pandits, Brahman, mostly Brahman used to live here, so that's why it is known as Mithilanchal. This area whole. There are 4 districts, including Darbhanga, Samastipur, uh, Sitamarhi, and Muzaffarpur. These 4 districts are known as Mithilanchal, and the center of Mithilanchal is Darbhanga. It is the kind of capital of the Mithilanchal, right? So it is quite famous city. It is famous for fish, uh, uh, beetle, or what do we call pan that is very famous in Banaras, pan. Okay, so it is
Yeah.
also famous for pan, uh, fish and makhan, kind of a seafood. So yeah, it's famous for all these things. Apart from that, there used to be a Maharaja, which is known as Darbhanga Maharaj.
That's lovely. And what about your family? Tell me, can you tell me something
Uh,
about your family?
yeah, of course. I have 3 siblings, 2 brothers and a sister. I have my parents. Still, I have my grandfather is alive. I have a maternal grandfather and grandmother. My maternal grandmother has to be next to me. I mean, she has been kind of, everything in my life. She had contributed a lot in changing me. Yeah. So that's what about my family.
Your grandmother has contributed a lot.
She has, yeah. Yeah, she
She,
had been inspiring me. She had been, giving me support and everything more than anybody. I
mm,
have been with her since childhood.
you have been?
I have been with her since childhood. I have
Oh,
been living with her.
oh, you've been living with your grandmother.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. That's really nice. Um, and how is the weather right now at your place?
It's hot right now, around 33 degrees, 35, 36 degrees Celsius here in Darbhanga. It's hot.
So it's not raining. It's not raining these days.
It's not raining these in the sky, but it's not raining. We had rain 1 month ago, and since then it hasn't been rain. So yeah, we need rain here.
Has
Hope
not
that
rained. Since then, it has not rained.
yeah, since then it has not rained.
Mm, okay, all right. And I hope that it rains soon. I was talking to another learner. He is from Jharkhand, and he was telling me early morning that it has not been raining and it is so dry. So towards the end of the session, I just said that hope that it rains as soon as possible. And I spoke to him after 2 days, and he said on that day itself it rained.
So I hope that it is gonna happen with me as well. Here. We
Yeah,
are
Let's set an
Yeah.
intention that it happens and it rains immediately at your hometown and give you some relief.
Of course. Yeah. I hope so.